Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special live episode of the Box Breakers here at Joe's Card Shop. We're at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on 24th Street in Osborne in Phoenix. If you're in town, stop in and see them. You may even see us filming live here. Otherwise, check them out on Facebook or give them a call. We've got a special guest star in the studio with us today. Dee, how you doing, Dee?
I'm alright. How's everybody doing? Back for part two.
Back for part two, that's right. Almost like we were just here a minute ago. Alright.
Think, but it's probably been a whole other day since then.
So you can see back here, we're going to do a recap once we get through the rest of our packs. But we've had some pretty monster hits in part one. If you didn't see that, go back and check it out. We are doing free giveaways all the way to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, share with your friends on social media, and help us get to 1,000 subscribers even sooner so we can give away all this free stuff that's starting to pile up at home. And the way we do it is every comment counts as an entry, and we'll pick one random video of ours, and then we'll pick one comment from that video, and then that person will get to choose whether they want a free sports giveaway, or if they're into Dragon Ball, Magic, Pokemon, or sports, football, basketball, and baseball. We've got you covered on all of them. The only thing we don't have is hockey. Sorry, guys. Sorry, all you Canadians. All right, let's get into this here. Revival of the Emperor. I've seen that one quite a few times, but still a good card.
It's not a bad Desire card. Going to be real big with the yellow freeze decks.
Tiny Warrior, Son Goku. There's Grandpa. There's your Grandpa, Gohan.
That works with the cards I talked about in the previous video. The bandages, Spike Mummy, all that recycling set.
Gotcha. Yeah, so if you're looking for some more information on playability and strategy, go back and watch part one. Definitely. D is a wealth of knowledge. He's filling in for Abe. Abe's off today, but he'll be in Friday, and he's going to go through all of our bulk for us and get it all straightened up. So we're thankful to have D here for us today. We've got Puar Best Pie. Okay, Death Ball, Infernal Villainy Cell. We saw him before, but I still like that artwork. Super cool. We might use that for the thumbnail right there if we can get a good picture of it. Good focus. Check that out. Nice. Kami Global Unifier, Time Magic, Yamcha Negotiator, and fired up SS Son Gohan.
It's going to be real popular in all the yellow decks due to his ability to restand 2 yellow cards at the end of the turn that are 2-drop or 3-drop or higher, I believe.
Gotcha. $5 or less, probably.
Probably, but it's still a good accessory card to have that you can bring out.
I like how they put the little notch in there for the pack openings or the box openings. I like
just being so you don't damage your cards
yeah.
trying to get in there.
Dragon Ball, Seekers, Sword Braid. There's Eric Cartman, Oolong's Wish, Unthinkable Fate, Super Saiyan Vegeta, Hellfighter 17, Evil Rewind. Is that one of the ones you were looking for?
No, I've got my set of them that I need for the Super 17 deck. It doesn't need any more. Pilaf,
Leader of the Crew, Shocking Death Ball. I think that's like the 5th one of those. Physical Mastery Urb, After Image Technique.
Again, valuable red extra card.
This one?
Yeah.
Put it over here?
Definitely.
Thank you. Yeah, if there's any other ones that I missed, definitely. Please correct me before I get corrected in the comments for saying SSB. Alright, Son Goku and fired up SS Gohan. Why?
2 of them in a row.
Why are we getting 2 of these in a row? That's weird. Whatever. Wish they were worth more if we're going to get 2 in a row. Alright. So yeah, we're doing the unboxing of Dragon Ball Super card game, Miraculous Revival. You get 12 cards per pack. It's from Bandai. B-A-I-D-A-I. I don't know what that is. Company name. Childish Heart, Vicious Lackey, Krillin, Raring to Fight, Kick Barrage, West Kai. I bet you South Kai is coming. Just
East Kai is the one.
East Kai.
That's the one that's the money card.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay. whatever it was in our other one, I bet, like, the sequence is going to be the same. I bet you. Watch, it'll be within the next couple
Some
cards.
really seem like that, yeah. Because most of the packs that, like, you especially get, like, the Super Saiyan, Goku, Vegeta cards, they're usually in the pack together.
Yeah, okay.
Or, like, Ki, Barrage, Goten, and Trunks seem to be together, or the Kais seem to be together in one pack. It's
We've
really
seen
weird.
it with old sports, new sports, Magic. They all continue to do it. And so back in the day, you would be able to go to the store and you could see in the rack pack who was on the front or the back, and because of those cards you would know who was in the middle, and so people would flip through and just buy the good ones. That's how it used to be. I mean, now they've got them all encased, so you can't really know, but let's see if we're right. Dindine, I think it's this next one. Nope. Yamcha. Nope, I guess we're way off. All that talk for nothing. Dark Power Black Masked Saiyan in a foil.
That's very nice. Gonna be a real desired card for what it is.
And
Another Frieza leader.
Frieza Resurrected Emperor. Super shiny. Nice. Couple bucks on this, maybe?
That's worth about $1.
Yeah, cool. At that point, I think I would just hold on to it for the shininess.
Right. As well as the art's not bad on it either.
Dark Power, this is the one we just had in the foil. I don't think the foil really gets picked up very well on the camera, but
Probably not. If anything, it'd make it look worse.
yeah. We just have to take our word. It looks cool in person. Spirited Search Pan, Soul Punisher, Puar, Best Pal, Death Ball, Power Burst, Adventurous Son Goku, Endless Malice Android 17, Sideline Assist, Divine Cry, Time Magic, and Deadly Defender Son Goku.
We've gotten 3 out of the 5 Deadly Defenders. Let's see if it matches up to my special box opening and he gets the other 2.
Yeah, D. We talked about it in part 1. If you haven't seen part 1, go back and check it out. But D opened up a whole box of Dragon Ball Super card game, Miraculous Revival, the special pack set, which we also did one of those on our channel, and Abe helped us out with that. We did pretty well, I think, from what I saw, but it doesn't sound like as good as what you did.
From my opening, 1 SPR like we've gotten so far out of this box, 7 SRs, 14 or so of the regular rares. So not bad, seeing about equal pools, just this one happened to have a couple more money cards than mine did, it looks like.
Yep, so now D's wishing he would have just bought this box instead of paying the extra 10, but
Especially with those Super 17s we pulled in part 1.
North Kai, there's an Endless Malice Android 17 and a foil. And Combiner Mecha Pelef Machine. Never heard of him.
Pilaf.
Pilaf.
The main villain from Dragon Ball's first season.
Oh my gosh.
That's another combining card if you're familiar with the game and have played with the Mecha Mutants from set 3. They're similar. They play each other for low cost, if not initially free, combine into him to free. And then when this card gets KO'd, the other 3 pieces come back out and just kind of recycle themselves as well.
Couple bucks.
Yeah, definitely. It's not going to see a lot of play, but it's an interesting little set they've made with them.
Alright, there's Grandpa again. Dragon Ball, Feisty Chi-Chi, Kick Barrage. Feels like 2 cards. Unthinkable Fate, Super Saiyan Son Goku, Kai Barrage, Call of Justice, Son Goku, North Kai. We keep seeing North Kai. Infernal Emperor, and
Sharon the Wish Granter, again, going to be really popular with a lot of the Wish decks, and just a decent spice in piece 5-drop card. The only downside with his abilities, they're very powerful, but they're only when he's played, unlike the starter 4-drop Shenron you get that you can use its abilities once per turn. The other downside is the card can't attack. It can be KO'd and warped because it has no barrier, but when you can bring it out and use its ability, it can definitely guarantee you a game win depending on what your move is.
Silver Bullet card.
Definitely.
That's what Abe was calling him. Silver Bullet.
It's going to be real popular with the blue Righteous Gohan leader. because it can give it triple strike. You use the Call of Justice card that we've seen to restand the leader, and you can swing 3-4 times in one turn with your leader at massive damage, critical, which cost your opponent any cards they would gain from their life pool. Big damage, easy game win there.
Nice. Great information. Thank you, D. Master Roshi, Grandpa, Shrew, Frieza, Dimension Magic, Kai Barrage, A Child's Wish, Ginru, Full Surveillance, Divine, Cry, Barus, Kami, Global Unifier, Foil, and we got Oolong.
We get the Red Wish leader.
Always wanting more.
Gotta wish for them panties, Oolong.
Oh, look at this. This is cool. It's the first Wish card I think I've seen with a, whatever it's called, shiny.
No, Frieza was like that as well.
Oh, it was? I just didn't look on the back.
Actually, no, we've looked at the back both
did?
times. I just don't think it registered to you, I guess.
It definitely did not. I've still got a lot to learn about Dragon Ball Super card game, especially Miraculous Revival. Even though we do lots of unboxing videos here on the Box Breakers, doesn't mean I know everything. I don't claim to know it, and that's why we're always thankful to Abe and special guest stars like D. Just a wealth of knowledge. Alright, Vicious Lackey, Spike Damon, Oolong's Wish, how do I say it? Pilaf. I can't believe it. He's like the main character, main bad character, and I don't know how to say his name.
Well, from the very first part of the show from 1980. Oh. Like, today he's just a joke relief character.
There's West Kai, Super Saiyan. There's another Dragon Ball, North Kai, Bitter Past, Dendene. And
that's our other rare leader for the green set, Super 17.
Nice.
Its active ability on its awakened side gives guaranteed hand control. Your opponent can't have any more than 10 cards at any one time with that ability, basically.
$5?
No, it's only $1, unfortunately.
It just looks really cool.
It's a really nice looking leader, yes.
Wow. Alright, this is our last pack, guys. Then we'll do a recap. We'll do a review of our box opening. Box opening Dragon Ball Super card game, Miraculous Revival. Alright. And I guess would this be a hobby box, Joe? Is that what this is called? Yeah. Dragon Ball Super hobby box.
Booster box.
Oh, okay. Booster box opening. Savage Sashimi. There's East Kai again.
Another $2 card.
Tiny Warrior. Master Roshi. Frieza. Revenge. A King's Return. King Yema. Bitter Past. Ready Stance. Infernal Fighter. A Child's Wish. And
Janemba.
Infernal Chain Janemba. Wow. That one is super cool.
That one's also part of a cycling set of cards that help play itself and return them to the deck, bring back out in a chain system. I personally feel like it's going to be a dangerous card to see, but probably not played a lot. But it's really nice what it does. Forces the opponent to mill cards and protects itself almost every turn by going away, so it can't be KO'd unless you have a good counter effect that can stop it.
$2?
I think that one's easily like 15, actually.
What?
Yeah.
Nice.
10 or 15.
All right. Okay, so that concludes our box opening, our unboxing Dragon Ball Super, but we will do a quick recap here for you. Which one's the best one?
It would be all these guys, honestly.
Okay. All right, so we'll run through these for our recap. This was from part 1. If you didn't see that, go back and check that out. SSB. Oh, I guess you don't say SSB because someone will make fun of you in the comments. What do you say?
Super Saiyan Blue.
Super Saiyan
Blue. What it stands for.
Gotcha. Yeah, if you say SSB, they know you're a noob like me, and they chastise you in the comments, but that's okay. We don't mind. All right, Vegeta. Gogeta.
The fusion of Goku and Vegeta. It's going to be a really big blue card, played a lot. It's really powerful.
Infernal Chain. Yamcha at 100%. Oh, I like this one.
That's our SPR cell. That's the big money card out of this box.
That's the $30 one?
Roughly $30, maybe a little bit more or less. It's got one of the more desired artworks I've heard.
That is super cool artwork there. Abe's going to be jealous of that one for sure.
Definitely.
Wow. Yeah.
And then
And
behind
then
it we have the regular variant of the card.
okay, gotcha. So these are our 2 money hits right here. Or
Yep.
2 of. Let's see if I can get both of these in there. Super cool. Nice. All right. Well, thanks again to Dee for joining us. Sure appreciate it. Wealth of knowledge. Thanks to Joe here at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles, 24th Street in Osborne. You can hear him over there on the phone. Can you hear him? Anyway, what do we have next? We got something coming up next. I forget. We got all sorts of stuff coming. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe and that notification bell so you can stay up to date and get in on our free giveaways. Every comment counts as an entry. And check this out, D. So, Child's Wish, Dragon Ball, Child Wish, Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball, Child's Wish. Right?
3 of each. Interesting.
You need all those, don't you?
Yeah.
Why don't we just give those to you right now for helping us out? Thank you.
Awesome.
All right, so we'll do the same for you guys in the comments. If there's cards that are not on our value list, let us know, and we'll give those away. Again, we do lots of unboxing videos here on the Box Breakers, and appreciate all the support. Thanks again, Dee. We'll see you next time here on the Box Breakers. We're out.